Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have something quite special, especially in my heart as a Challenger owner. This is our 50th anniversary Challenger RT. Absolutely awesome. Finished here in a 2020 specific color called Cinnamon Stick with an S, not a C. It's pretty cool how they rearrange the letters and stuff like that. Every 50th anniversary Challenger is individually numbered. This one is number 19 of 70. 1970. I just caught on to that one. That one's pretty good. So this is, that would be my favorite number of the lineup. Number 19 of 70, because they make 70 of each trim level to commemorate 1970 as the first year of the Challenger. For 2020, they refreshed this dashboard material. It's not that rubberized material anymore. It's nice leather lined trim. Nice 50th anniversary trim pieces. Oh, that's a pretty smart idea. Alright, so 50th anniversary edition, 50th logo Napa and Alcantara seats, heated front seats, ventilated, so it's the plus package pretty much. You have a specific gauge cluster for the 50th that has Challenger 50 on it. Copper weave carbon fiber accent. Oh, it is carbon. It's pretty cool, with some copper in there. There we go, there's Cinnamon Stick. 50th anniversary, so you get the numbered instrument panel badge, so that one 19 of 70. The shaker hood, shaker intake, shaker underhood decal. This one has the Torque Flight 8-speed, as well as the navigation stay. One thing I love about Challenger is out of all of the muscle cars, it is the most usable because of the back seat area. Without further ado, let's actually, before we head out, they did revise this whole area. It does feel a little bit more responsive than my 19. You do have performance pages, which is a pretty cool little feature. Sport Super Track Pack. As stated before, this one's based on the RT, so it has the 5.7 V8. I'll leave it on that. Go ahead, keep it in normal mode at first. As you can see, visibility is not bad at all. Definitely one of the best in the muscle car segment. Looking at you, Camaro. It sounds phenomenal. ride is really, really nice, even in the harshest settings. All of this is a lot more responsive than my 2019 Challenger. You know, a lot of this takes a lot longer. Oh yeah, that's way better. I love that backfire between shifts. It is awesome. I also love looking over the hood, seeing that shaker. So let's talk about the 8-speed automatic. Coming from a manual fan, all three of my cars have been manual. What do I think of it? It is fantastic. I would definitely test drive and consider an 8-speed. Even if I was set on the manual, this would very easily sway me. It's just that good. Even in this setting, where it doesn't have your track setting and stuff like that for the transmission, it still does everything I would want it to. And of course, you can put it into manual mode and use the paddles. So there's really not many excuses to have to go with the manual. Stop and go traffic too, it's an automatic at the end of the day. You're not going to be messing with the clutch pedal at all or anything like that. Kind of cool, they've reworked this so the buttons aren't hanging off the edge. Steering wheel is different, it's a flat bottom design. It's just such a good car. Last one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.